Now, Stormwatch 12 weather with meteorologist Caitlin Harvey.
We're taking a live look out at Gold Beach from the Porthole Cafe as part of our Newswatch 12 Weather Cam network. And you can see those bands of wind out on the water. Not white caps yet, but we are anticipating some very strong winds to roll through parts of the region. Right now, temperatures are all over the place across southern Oregon and northern California. I'll be frank with you. Thanks to these gusty winds, some of us are into the 60s. Grants Pass still into the 50s thanks to that fog, but that's all going to change as this next system rolls through, tracking a cold front, bringing slightly cooler temperatures and plenty of rain, snow and wind. So right now, as we look at our sweeping satellite and radar, now starting to get a few showers into the Siskiyou County area. I'd say fairly areas west of the I-5 corridor in Siskiyou County dealing with rain. Snow levels up to about 6,000 feet mean that this isn't going to be a major snowstorm. For those of us traveling out on the interstate, even US 97, we should still be pretty clear. Mountain Pass is looking good. So right now our major concern is still these gusty winds. Klamath Falls up into the 50s nearly thanks to these winds gusting up to 26 miles per hour. Very strong winds in Montague and clear up the I-5 corridor, in fact, toward Mount Sexton, up to about 20 to 30 miles per hour. Along the coast, still seeing gusty winds up to 25 miles per hour, and that's why we're still seeing these wind advisories for the Rogue Valley, the Shasta Valley already in effect till tomorrow afternoon. Lake County now within the last hour and a half or so under this wind advisory as well until 10 o'clock Saturday night. We're expecting gusts between 30 to even 50 miles per hour. So as we time this out with our latest forecast model, this one doing a particularly good job of showing this rainfall already moving in. So this is why I've chosen this one today. So as we head throughout this afternoon, still going to see showers and even mountain snow become more widespread for that drive home. Now what we are noticing is some periods of moderate to heavy rainfall even up into the Cascades, even up into the Rogue Valley area, but most of this going to stay out along the coast and into parts of Siskiyou County as far as that heavy rain, heavy snow is concerned. As we head into early tomorrow morning, still thinking we could see a few thunderstorms out toward the coast, but take a look at this heavy rain. Bullseye towards Grants Pass. Even Medford could see some moderate to heavy rainfall. By Saturday afternoon, we're still seeing these showers and mountain snow as snow levels tomorrow dip to about 5,000 feet. So your winter storm warning remains in effect until 4 o'clock tomorrow afternoon for elevations above 5,500 feet rather in southeastern Siskiyou County. This does not include any towns with the Mount Shasta Ski Park area, Ski Park Highway, Everett Memorial Highway, all looking to get 2 to 3 feet of snow. For those of us in Lake County, also above 5,500 feet, starting at 10 o'clock tonight, getting 3 to 6 inches of new snow. Now at 5,500 feet, that's pretty much just for the Warner Mountain Pass. One of those places we do look to see 3 to 6 inches of snow, but gusts will stay breezy across the region, and we are expecting a lot of rain with this. So coming up here in the next 30 minutes, we'll take a look at those rain totals. But as you plan out the rest of today, expect mild temperatures thanks to these gusty winds. More rain and snow continuing to push into southern Oregon and northern California as we head throughout today. Some of that downright heavy for that drive home. Do you think the biggest concern for travelers if you're heading out on 97 or I-5 is going to be these very gusty winds, especially with high-profile vehicles over mountain passes? That will make driving a little difficult.
Yes, absolutely. So maybe wanting to give yourself a little extra room if you have to travel over this weekend. But if not, it might be best to just stay inside and watch a holiday movie.
Absolutely.
Thanks, Caitlin.